Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to connect Slack and n8n in order to build AI agents. You will be able to trigger any messages and listen from n8n, and then you can perform any kind of automation that you prefer to do. So let's dive into it. We are going to start with api.slack.com/apps. If you go to the URL, then you will be able to see something like this. Build something amazing. So click create an app, and from scratch obviously. And now name the app that you are going to build. So I am going to name it Bimax, which is my favorite TV character, Bimax. And you have to select a workspace where you are going to build the app for. Now I will select the one called demo and simply create the app. Now we have few things to do, of course. So just go to auth and permission without doing anything here, and go down below and find scopes. And now add few scopes in order to perform certain actions from the Slack channels. So we will be adding app mentions read, then we will be adding assistant write, then channel history, then channel read, okay, then groups read, then chat write. Okay, that's all we need. Now go up here and then install to demo. So allow it. Okay, you might be able to see some sort of warning like this, or may not be warning. Then simply click on reinstall your app and you should be able to see something like this, and then allow. Now we are all good. So this is the auth token that we need to copy in order to connect it. So go here, find Slack and select on any event. Now we will add the credential, simply paste the token. Now we need to find signature secret. So let me show you what is the signature secret is here. Go to basic information, and signing secret, that's what the signature secret. So we just have to copy this and paste here. Name the workspace. So I'll simply name it demo. Boom. We have connected successfully. Now we have to do a few more things. So okay, go to app home, check mark always shows my board as online, home tab, and also allow user to send / commands. So yeah, now go to event subscription and enable this one. Now go back to n8n. So simply toggle and watch whole workspace. We can select board app mention because that's what we want to monitor right now, and copy this one and execute step. So it's going to start listening. Now you have to come here, paste this URL, and it should say verified. Now we have to do one more thing. Go to subscribe to bot events, add bot user event, and select app mention. Now save changes. Now go back to n8n and change the URL because we are testing with the test webhook. Now we have to bring the production URL. Simply copy this, go here, save, just activate the workflow. Now go back to this and simply change it. So we have activated the production webhook URL. Now simply save changes. Okay, now go back to Slack and let's say, hello Baymax, how are you doing? So it says they are not in the channel, we have to add them. Simply click add. See the execution. Now you will be able to see it immediately trigger the webhook, and it says how are you doing. So yeah, that's the initial part. Now you know how to build Slack app, and I believe you will be able to do a bunch of things from here. I will be making more videos building AI agents using Slack, n8n, and Slack apps. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.